Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to stitch single crochet. For make slip knot, take this yarn from here like this, fixed tail of yarn by thumb. Insert your hook under this yarn, take this yarn with hook, pull up yarn, tie yarn. In here, worked by these fingers, this in right hand and left hand, like this. Take hook by these two fingers, these yarns with these fingers, like this. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, and chaining like this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains in here. I show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Last chain on your hook, make one more chain to start single crochet. Skip this chain, go to this chain, insert your hook into this chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, make a loop, yarn over, pull through these two yarns together, yarn over, pull through, and make one single crochet. Insert your hook into next chain, take this yarn on your hook, yarn over, pull up yarn, make a loop, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, insert your hook into this chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through. Go to last chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, yarn over, pull through two yarns together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with these chains, 10 stitch in here. Make one chain turn it, go to this hole, like this. I show, go to this first hole, insert your hook into this hole, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through, make one single crochet, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch like this, take this chains and hook, make one single crochet, take these yarns same as before stitches, 2 yarn, unhook, make one single crochet in last stitch like this, make a chain, turn it, go to this hole, make one single crochet, take 2 yarns on your hook, insert your hook, pull through, pull through, make one single crochet in last stitch, make a chain, turn it, go to this hole, like this,